Catholics, I know say don't say we wanna go catechism class. Please come and learn something new on today's video. Una remember say during mass, whenever mass is going on, the reverend father holds something called a toribu. Something toribu. If you don't know what to be toribu, that thing will be say it be like rope and it be like small pot. Smoke they come out from inside, like they put incense inside. Then smoke go they come out. Father go hold that thing during consecration. He go come the turn, make a show na the practice, make a show na the practice. He go hold the thing like this. Come do am, shin. He go come turn am back. What does it mean during consecration? Many of us don't know the meaning of these things. I'm telling you, many of us we don't really know the meaning of that thing. Now you see when the priest hold that toribu and it turns the thing first time in the right side, it means it is celebrating that this thing for the church. The first one is it is for the church. When you can't turn them again, you see you turn it to one, then you turn it again. That second time means it is for the living. For the living. What did I say? The first one is for the church. The second one is for the living. Then you know saying turn them right 2 times. It will not turn it backwards. That is left hand side. You go turn them shin, come turn them back again. That back, what does that one mean? It means he is also celebrating the mass for the dead. For what? The dead. Listen again. He holds the toribu and turns it right 2 times and turn it left once. What does it mean? 1 is for the church, 2 is for the living, and the last one when you go come turn your hand back is for the dead.
Akaitu tọ̀síyá o, Akaitu tọ̀sẹ̀ mi lọ. Òbí alágbàtọ́, Akaitu tọ̀sẹ̀ mi lọ.
Ṣẹ́gun níbo ló tún ti ń bọ̀ báyìí? Ó ń bọ̀ láti ibi táwọn ọmọléèwé ti ń ṣoríire ní. Níbo tún nìyẹn o? Ọ̀dọ̀ Akaitu tọ̀s tí ìjọba ti lù ló ń tẹ̀ ní. Èmi lọ gba fọ́ọ̀mù 2020 JAMB form, WAEC form, NECO form, JUPEB form àti PEDIGRI form ni o. Wọ́n kún fún mi ní àdírẹ́sì wọn. Wọ́n wà ní nọ́mbà 67 ìdojúkọ Odùduwà college Ilé-Ifẹ̀. Mo rò pé inú Odùduwà college wọ́n wà tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Rárá o, iwájú rẹ̀ wọ́n wà. Kódà ilé ìgbé wà fún àwọn ọmọ akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí ọ̀nà wọn jìn. Kódà ẹ̀kọ́ ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ní Akaitu tọ̀s. Ṣẹ́gun fẹ́ràn mi. Dákun ọ̀rẹ́ mi má bínú. O lè pe Akaitu tọ̀s sí 08038644328 tàbí kó kàn sí wọn ní www.akainews.com. Kò burú, jẹ́ kí n pe àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó kù kí àwa náà lọ jẹ nínú àǹfààní yìí. Àmọ́ ṣé gbogbo àwọn fọ́ọ̀mù yìí ti jáde lọ́dọ̀ Akaitu tọ̀s ni? Má lágùn jìnnà. Pè wọ́n sí ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ 08038644328. Wọ́n ó dá ẹ lóhùn kíákíá ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Akaitu tọ̀sẹ̀ mi lọ. Akaitu tọ̀síyá o, Akaitu tọ̀sẹ̀ mi lọ. Òbí alágbàtọ́, Akaitu tọ̀sẹ̀ mi lọ.
Ṣẹ́gun níbo ló tún ti ń bọ̀ báyìí? Ó ń bọ̀ láti ibi táwọn ọmọléèwé ti ń ṣoríire ní. Níbo tún nìyẹn o? Ọ̀dọ̀ Akaitu tọ̀s tí ìjọba ti lù ló ń tẹ̀ ní. Èmi lọ gba fọ́ọ̀mù 2020 JAMB form, WAEC form, NECO form, JUPEB form àti PEDIGRI form ni o. Wọ́n kún fún mi ní àdírẹ́sì wọn. Wọ́n wà ní nọ́mbà 67 ìdojúkọ Odùduwà college Ilé-Ifẹ̀. Mo rò pé inú Odùduwà college